So here's exactly how you can create a Cpagrip account and also get approved at the same time. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any critical steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is, of course, open up a Google page, and then you just want to type in Cpagrip in the search bar, and then you want to click on cpagrip.com. And then so you're going to be brought up to the Cpagrip homepage right over here. And then if we go scroll down a little bit, you can see there's an option that says become a publisher. So go ahead and click on that. And then that's going to lead you over to this page. It says, are you a new member? Sign up now. And then so right over here, you can be brought up to this field where you have to enter in all of your information. So we're just going to go ahead and enter our first and last name. So you don't actually need a company or a website for your account to get approved. So we can just skip those, but you do need an address. So go ahead and enter in your address. So once you have filled out all of your address information, you will need a Skype for your account to get approved. So go ahead and type in your Skype account. However, if you don't have a Skype account, then what you need to do is, of course, go ahead and make a Skype account and then come back and then enter in your Skype username. So that's the only way for you to get accepted. Now it says publisher type, and this essentially means how you're going to promote your CPA offers. So if you go ahead and click on it, you can see that there's going to be a website, email, GPT, or other. So most of the time, people is going to either use website or other. So you use like say other and then just say a social media account, as that's what I did, and you can also get approved like that. And then you also need to enter in your email address as well as your password right over here. So just enter that in. Now keep in mind that you don't really want to enter any email address that is really goofy, weird, and unprofessional, like butthole. That's not going to get approved. You want to have a professional email. So if you don't have one, you should probably make that. So it normally should just be your first and last name, or just like something like Joe Rogan Business or like Bob Smith, something like that. And then here you want to choose your time zone. This part, it doesn't really matter what you put, just put in your real time zone for that. And then for where did you hear about us, I'll just say like friends. That's what I done before, and then also got accepted. And then you want to make sure, this is a must do, that you check on all three of these boxes right over here, or else you're not going to get accepted. Alright, and then so once you have finally finished filling out everything, then what you want to do is go ahead and click on register now. And then now you're going to be instantly accepted and led into your Cpagrip account. And then what you need to do next is exit out of the app and then go into your email. You're also going to get an email saying that your Cpagrip account has been approved. And then all you have to do is simply click on the link that they have sent you to approve your email account. There you go. As you can see, it says success. Your email address has been successfully verified. So then once that has been done, you just want to go back into your Cpagrip account, and then you can start promoting Cpagrip from here.